This brand is made in China and is sold online through Walmart and Amazon, but their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The units feature self-evaporating technology which minimizes the need to dump a condensate bucket, but they use a single hose, so conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned, which results in lower overall efficiency. They have auto swing louvers for better air circulation throughout the room, but only use a basic washable filter that does not do much to clean the air or keep the coils of the unit clean. They have sleep and timer modes for energy savings, but they use R410, a refrigerant which is not as planet-friendly as brands that use R32. The RACP models are available in 3 sizes from 8,000 to 12,000 BTU cooling capacity. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.